Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are Windows 10 user and you love Windows 10, so you should bring your taskbar to here with normal Windows standard user and Windows 10 has. How to do it? Just right click here and simply open the taskbar setting, and once you see the taskbar setting here, you need to scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors, and once you see that, you need to scroll down again and look for the option here, taskbar alignment, and it is central now. Okay, just you need to select it to left, and now it is similar to Windows 10. Okay, so this is the video guys, and search box also should not be hidden. If it is hidden like this, you need to search box. So I hope this small video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.